What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Michael D Images here, about to give you my first video. So I'm new to the YouTube creator space, and I figured I'd come in here and see what I can do, spread some knowledge. Hopefully I can show some of my tips and tricks of some of the things I do. I'm currently an Atlanta-based photographer, and I've been dabbling in a little bit of film work and video work as of late, so things are kind of all over the place. But wanted to show you guys this new tripod that I picked up doing some of the video work that I've been doing lately. I needed a video tripod, so I was trying to struggle along with a photography tripod, and that just wasn't cutting it out. So we ordered this here. I actually saw it on Amazon for $159, and I've been looking at it for a while. And then one day scrolling through Instagram, I actually saw an ad for a discount to where you get it for $94. So I figured this was the perfect time to pick it up and see what we could do with it. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got here. And this is a 74-inch tripod, so it's a pretty tall tripod, depending on what you need to do. It should fit most needs. This box is kind of heavy. But I see right off the bat it comes with a case, which I was kind of excited about. I felt like I definitely wanted a case for it. Just toss that box out of here. But yeah, so it comes in a nice little plastic. Keep your tripod case looking good. Let's get my knife and cut this open. Making sure I'm not cutting the actual tripod bag, that would be tragic. But the bag feels like a nice little quality on here. It definitely feels like a nice little sturdy bag. Let you guys see what that looks like. It's got the Neewer logo on the front. Let's open it up. More plastic. I'm actually excited to use this thing. So in the bag you have, let's see, a little zipper pouch. You got your instructions. It looks like some extra toolkit pieces. We got the arm right there. Zip that back up. And we'll do away with the bag for right now. It's got like a bread twisty tie thing on here. We'll take that off. And here we go. That's kind of cool. Comes with a little, I guess a little cover to keep the head safe. That's pretty cool. I actually like that feature. That's pretty neat. But it definitely feels sturdy just holding it straight out of the box. I'm gonna play around with this thing and figure out what to do with it. Oh, it's got some nice tension on the head. I already see that. I kind of like that. It's got a bowl. It's kind of small, but it's got a nice little bowl. I feel like everything is kind of nice and sturdy. So then we got the, go ahead and screw this arm on here. And I think I like it. Let's see what all comes in this little bag here. So, of course, we have the instructions. We've got a couple things, so if you need to tighten it up, I'm assuming. Got these pieces right there. I'm assuming those are going to be for the legs. Pretty much basic instructions. Yeah, I think it's... I don't like instructions. I like to just figure things out. But the good thing I like about it is it's got the quick release plate in here, which is always good to have an extra one of these, so you can go between your different tripods and stuff like that. It definitely feels solid. Like, I like the way these legs feel. Feels pretty good and solid. And I like red anyway, so I love the fact that it's got like the little red accents on it. See how we do? Get our camera mounted up on here. But right now we're using both of my Sony a7 III's. We got one overhead and we got one here, so we're gonna take one of these bad boys down and film some more of this video and let you know how we like this thing with a camera on it. And this is the GM 88 Neewer tripod. All right, so we're gonna take the a7 III and we're gonna go ahead and put the plate on here and get it going, which I love the fact that it actually has a tool right inside the plate so you can screw it down. Normally I always keep a whole bunch of quarters or coins with me so that I can get it on there and tighten it up if I don't have a screwdriver or something. So I actually love that feature on there. So we're going to get it nice and tightened up and put the tool back in there. And it's actually got a little magnetic thing in there, so it keeps it in place. But now we got it on here, you see the pan and tilt is actually pretty nice. I actually like it. It feels pretty good. You can kind of play around with the resistance a little bit with these knobs, but actually it feels pretty good. I feel like I could do something good with it. And then I like the fact that it's got a little pushback to it. But overall, I like it. I think it's a good tripod. For $94, I don't feel like you could beat this. And like I said, like, this is my first tripod, so I'm not sure exactly what all to look for, but if you're just getting into the market and you're looking for a tripod, I feel like so far it's good. Like I said, I'm gonna take it out on some projects and we're gonna play around with it, so I'll do like an in-depth review kind of in the field and I'll add something, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and kind of let you guys see what it looks like. And for 94 bucks, I don't know, I don't think you could beat it. $94 is a killer deal for this. And I'm also do one where I have it built out so you can kind of see what it looks like, but with my full camera on here. But so far so good. I think it's a pretty good deal. And the fact that it comes with accessories and stuff like that, I think makes it a pretty solid product. Well, these are like leg lock things. But yeah, so I think it's a good purchase. I think you guys should jump on Instagram, check this out if you're looking for a new budget tripod. I don't think you could go wrong with it. It feels very sturdy, like the leg locks on it are pretty good. The bowl on it feels pretty solid, I think. And like I said, I mean, I just can't say enough for the price. I just feel like you can't do much better than that for the price. But we will see, test the time, see if it performs in the field, and see if it holds up. It's got the nice bag, so I think it'll be able to keep it safe and everything like that. So tell me guys what you think, comment, like, and subscribe. This is my first video. We want to try to see if we can get at least like 100 likes or something. We got to have a goal. That's our goal. We're starting at hopefully 100 likes. And talk to you guys later. Check out the next one.